So this is going to be a little bit of a strange video because I'm going to be going to pick up a foldable or collapsible green screen from someone through OfferUp. Picking up the green screen itself isn't what's weird. It's the messages I've been getting from the person and then how I'm supposed to do the transaction that's weird. This video is brought to you by Zalman and the updated CNPS10X Performa CPU cooler, which has recently been re-engineered for high cooling performance and now comes in both a black and standard edition. The black edition is coated using electrophoresis, which results in a thin finish that has excellent durability with minimal thermal performance impact. Featuring a larger 135mm fan with EBR bearings that have a rated 50,000 hour lifespan while also reducing noise, 4 direct contact heat pipes, and an asymmetric heatsink design with plenty of clearance for taller memory modules, this cooler is ready to go out of the box and fully compatible with the newest Intel and AMD processors. Offering high performance cooling at a very competitive price point under $50, consider this cooler for your next build. Learn more by clicking on the links in the description below. So a couple of days ago, I started looking into green screens on Amazon. I'm actually wanting to integrate green screens into my content more, whether it be for like reaction type videos or when I start streaming more, which I do plan on doing more soon. So I want a legit green screen that has a good tone, that light won't shine through, and that is easy for me to set up and take down and store. On Amazon, there are a ton of these, but the most well-known one is probably going to be the one from Elgato, and that goes for around $160. After tax, that's going to be about $176. $176 is a lot. So then I go over on OfferUp and I take a look. I did find someone who is selling one, and it's this person who's not too far away from me, and he actually has the Elgato green screen, and according to the pictures, it actually looks like it's in good condition. He looks like he originally listed it a month ago for $150, but it didn't sell, so he lowered it to $140, and it's still up, so it hasn't sold yet. I messaged him asking if he would take $100 for it. I know it's a little bit of a lowball, but this is one of those things where it's probably taking up space, and he's just trying to get rid of it and get any money he can recoup back. So I shot him the $100 offer, and up until that offer, he was responding relatively quickly, but then as soon as I dropped that offer, he didn't respond for the rest of the night. I thought he was basically ignoring me because I lowballed him, and that's totally a reasonable thing to do. I've completely ignored people who sent ridiculous lowballs before, so it's whatever. But then earlier today, he responds back and he says, okay. So I tell him where I was located and I'm not too far away and my availability. And he says, that should work. I can put it outside in the driveway. Try it out and leave the money on the bench. Sounds good? I would never trust someone to come buy something from me and expect them to leave the cash. And even if they were trustworthy or honest, anyone walking by, if they see money there, who's to stop them from running up and grabbing it? So this sounds really strange to me. I don't want him to contact me back and say, hey, you never left the money if someone else came up and grabbed it. I don't want him to leave me a bad OfferUp review or anything like that. So I tell him, yeah, that works. Can I get the address? And I can Venmo/PayPal if you'd rather do that. Seems unsafe to leave money out in case someone sees me doing that and comes and takes it afterward, right? Like, you would agree, right? Good point. You can put it inside the mailbox in an envelope. I'm not sure if that's that much better, because if someone sees me come and take something from this person's house and then leave an envelope in the mailbox, they could assume that's money and come up and take it anyways. Something's just weird about this. I don't want to ask. Whatever, I'll do that. I'm going to record the whole thing so that I have proof that I will drop him the money off. I'll show him the footage if it ends up getting stolen, because it's not going to be my fault. But yeah, he gave me the address. I'm going to go pick this up and we'll see how this works out. I got the $100 bill, blank envelope. It's in here. Let's go pick up this green screen, test it out, and if it's good, I will leave this money and take the green screen. So I've got a couple of theories as to why he doesn't want to meet in person. I don't know why I don't just ask, but he may be quarantining, he might be sick or something, or might actually have COVID. The second theory is that he might be younger and like his parents don't know that he's doing this or selling things. So he wants to do it where, you know, he doesn't actually meet up with me in person and just does the trade like this. The third theory, which probably is the most likely, is he's just not home right now, and maybe one of his roommates or his parents or someone else who's at the house, he asked them to put it out so that, you know, I could grab this. The only reason I don't like this theory is because why would he want the money to be just left out, you know, or put in the mailbox? Why not have that person who is putting this out for me to test out and then pick up, why not just have me give them the money so it's safe? So yeah, those are the theories. I don't know. None of them seem to really make sense. So yeah, I'll probably have to ask him after I get it. He also said he put the green screen on the grass. I feel like that's a really odd place to put it. Like, why not put it on like the driveway, you know, like a hard surface, or like on the deck or porch or something like that. I don't know. It just seems weird, but we'll see. Huh. Looks like we're here. And I do see it on the grass. Hello, it looks good. Just as expected. Was he not available to meet up to sell?
I'm his wife. He's out of town right now.
Oh, I see. Okay, can I just give you the money then?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I mean, it looks good. It works. Yeah, I just didn't want to leave it out so like someone could take it, so.
Oh, no problem. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
Yep, thank you. So it looks like theory 3 was the correct one, but anyways, it all worked out. The green screen looks good. I'm actually really happy with how it goes up and down. I didn't think it would be that smooth and easy and like effortless. So I'm excited to get it home, and maybe I'll shoot some quick green screen stuff. But yeah, let's get home now. Okay, Google, directions home. Yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video though. The meetup wasn't as weird as I initially thought going in. It's just a case of poor communication. This green screen, I really wanted to pick it up, even though I still think $100 is still a little bit pricey, considering you can just get cloth and just like rig something up. But this is something that I do want to start getting more into, so I'm okay with doing or putting the investment into this, especially considering this is a pretty specialty item. This isn't something that I would imagine popping up on Craigslist or OfferUp all too often. So when I saw this and I was able to get the price down, I just had to jump on it. So yeah, let me know down below if you had any weird run-ins with people in your local market. So actual weird run-ins, not like this one where you thought it would be weird and then it turned out being normal. But yeah, let me know about that, as well as any cool pickups that you have gotten recently, whether it be PC hardware, stuff like this, or something even unrelated. Other than that, I will see y'all down in the comments as well as in the next video. Bye.